Hi there, and just a quick update for what's been going on within the AFA, especially in the lead up to the 30th of June. Firstly, the Tax Practitioner Board. Great news if you're a voting member of the AFA. The AFA is a registered tax financial advisor association, and recently we received notification from the TPB to reaffirm that status. So if you've got 6 out of the last 8 years experience, you're registered with the TPB, your membership of the AFA will give you the exemptions into the education requirements. Talking about education, I'd really encourage you to get started on your higher education pathway. And the Fellow Chartered Financial Practitioner, the next intake commences on the July the 11th, and I would enrol before the 30th of June so you can get started on your FCHFP, and it's a really practical way to make all of those changes in your advice business, whether you're salaried or self-employed. Another thing to be aware of is the closing of the early bird for conference. The National Advisor Conference is just a highlight of the year. You would have seen that we've released some of the plenary. The Honourable John Howard, Margie Worrell, we've got some exciting announcements coming up over the next week or two. Grab your tax deduction and register before the 30th of June to take advantage of the early bird special. Update your profile on Your Best Interest. Ring the membership team and ask them to give you a hand. The Your Best Interest TV show reached a consumer audience of 1.3 million people last year, and we've put some increased effort into updating a lot of the content, consumer related content on the Your Best Interest site. It is such a good tool to help shift the public's perception of what the financial advice profession is all about, and it's sitting in your hands. I'd encourage you to update your Best Interest member portal. That's a brief update around the operations. Look forward to catching you at the Practitioner Roadshow right around the country in July. Thanks very much.